The greatest value is to meet new people, find new locations, experience Madrid. Yeah. Very special, a lot of convention bureaus, and tomorrow the new rooftop terraces is more than a Spanish organized event, so you give more emphasis on interaction. You give space for the people to talk with each other, and you have a lot of surprises. So you don't fully give the whole program, but then we just walk there and you have another surprise. This is very nice.